Hey there, my friends. Coach 𝐸𝐻𝐸 here. Welcome back to another video. Definitely be for you. In this video, I'm going to review a product called Traffic Nemesis. I'm going to go over what it is, how it works, who it helps, so that you can see how you can implement this for yourself to be able to learn how to make money on Facebook without having to pay out for ads. So this product, Traffic Nemesis, is created by Manny Hanif, and he's an expert. He's made hundreds of thousands of dollars for free just using free Facebook traffic, and that's actually what he teaches on. And he created this product teaching people how to generate free traffic and sales on Facebook. Now, this product, it teaches you how to post, what to post on Facebook, and how to do it with only a few minutes of work. And it shows you how to make consistent commissions, as you see on the screen here from some of the members that tested it, and how to automate daily leads, again, without spending a dime on traffic. So these are some of the results that some of the members are getting. It's pretty much a 3-step system. So they're going to show you the basic steps you need to do to be able to get traffic on Facebook, primarily from your profile, your groups, and your stories, your Facebook stories as well. Okay, so that's how that works. And again, you can see some of the people here that are getting results. I wanted to scroll down and talk about who this is for. So again, it's for anyone who's looking to get consistent free leads. Okay, you're looking for a way to be able to market your business and get consistent free leads. That's who this product is for, using Facebook. Okay. And again, it's for people who don't want to spend on paid ads. They don't want to be spamming their links in Facebook groups. They don't want to be doing prospecting, which is taught a lot in the network marketing MLM circles, and it doesn't work, right? So, I mean, it's not that it doesn't work, but the average person doesn't want to do that. And on top of that, a lot of times it's not as effective, especially now. So these are the things that the course teaches. And then I'm going to scroll down and show you some of the other things. And then we're going to go over and look at the actual system, the membership area, and the bonuses. Okay, so again, this is the content that the course actually follows or teaches. So it's going to teach you how to revive dead Facebook groups. My battery is done. It's going to teach you how to revive dead Facebook groups. That's one of the things that it's going to teach you in this course. It's also going to teach you how to drive laser targeted traffic to your group. Okay, so it's going to teach you how you can monetize a Facebook group. Many marketers have a Facebook group, some don't, but many do, and a lot of times they're dead Facebook groups. So if you can learn how to drive laser traffic to that group, then you can then monetize that group. Okay, and the great thing about groups is that it builds know, like, and trust, and people buy from people they trust. So he talks about all that and shows you how to do it effectively. You're going to learn how to tap into simple Facebook profits. You're going to learn how to 10x your organic presence on Facebook, which that helps with building not only know, like, and trust, but authority as well. You're going to learn some hacks to help you get more buyers. I'm not going to go through all this, but the main things, you're going to learn how to profit from your stories. You're going to learn how to get your message in front of your fans and how to actually create a targeted audience base. You're going to learn how to the posting for profits method, which I actually really like, and that's going to teach you how to post. And he even gives you swipes, so you're not like, well, what do I post? Those are the things that you're going to learn in this course. So let's go over to the membership area and take a look at the actual product. Now, the first thing that I want to point out about this product, Traffic Nemesis, is that you get access to an active Facebook group. This is not a dead Facebook group. This is a group where people are in there, they're sharing their tips, they're sharing results. And I think that that's very unique. Like, that by itself is worth so much value, to be able to have access to a active community where people are actually employing this method and growing their organic traffic. Okay, the next section that you're going to get in the membership area, he goes over everything you need to know about pages, groups, and pages and groups in terms of getting traffic. There's a unique thing that I think is really cool, because I say a lot of top marketers do this method and a lot of people don't understand how to do it. But you can actually get a lot of traffic when you understand how to use emojis and stand out through your posts. So he goes over that. He goes over how to drive traffic to your Facebook groups. And then he gives some bonuses that are worth really good value. So one of the bonuses that he gives is, we're in the middle of a pandemic. And I think it's very important for people to triangulate their income. So again, as affiliate marketers or whatever, don't just put all your eggs in the affiliate marketing basket. If this didn't teach us anything, when one income stream goes away or one income stream is not moving, you should have another stream that's moving. Well, what he teaches you how to do is to take what you're learning in this traffic nemesis training, and to be able to create an income stream by offering to other people how to teach them how to grow their own groups. Okay, so I hope this is making sense. So it creates like a consulting like income that you can create for yourself by literally taking, learn, apply, teach, like learn, apply, teach, right? So these are the things that you can do, is create an extra income source by taking these methods, and he's going to show you exactly how to do that as a bonus. Okay, another thing that he shows is how to hack your competitors' groups. Not like literally hack them, like computer hack them, but to hack their strategies and then implement them for yourself. Okay, so he's going to show that. He gives away some really great case studies where these case studies actually show you how actual students of traffic nemesis, there's 2 students that he highlights. One student generated $1,500 in a week using just the profile training that he gives. Another student generated $100 a day using free organic traffic with emojis, and he gives you these case studies. So these are things that you have access to. The next section goes over, really this whole section just shows you how to set up your profile to actually market effectively. Most people, their profiles are not optimized in the first place to even begin to market. So they're marketing, but they're not getting results that they want. And it's because people don't see them as an authority anyways, and you can quickly do that by setting your profile up the right way. And he goes over how to do this in this section. He goes over how to post, what times to post, which is really important, because just by switching the time of day that you post, you can get much better results. So he goes over all these different types of posts and what they should look like. And then he goes over how to close sales in the inbox. Okay, because that's really important. Is there's a lot of marketers out here who they're posting on Facebook, they're getting Facebook traffic, but they're not able to close the sales because they don't know how to close the sales. And he literally gives you the secrets to closing sales in the inbox. Okay, and then the next thing he goes over is Facebook stories, showing you how to utilize your Facebook stories to more effectively close sales. Okay, so these are all the things that you get access to. You can also, down here, he gives you 2,000 done for you plug and play swipes. So these are like, literally, if you were like, I don't know what to post, well, you get access to that. That is one of the upgrades that you can get. And I think it's like a few dollars and you can get that upgrade. Also, you can promote traffic nemesis as well as a training. And again, that's an income source for you. So it's not just about learning this training and making money from it, as you apply it to whatever you're marketing, but then you can also promote this to other marketers who they need help with this same thing. So it literally creates 3 income streams for yourself. You already have the income stream that you promote as an affiliate marketer. So you already know how you'll learn through this training, how to market it effectively. Then you'll be able to create an income stream with the bonuses that he gives as a group doctor service. So that creates a second income stream. And then the third income stream, you'll be able to help people who are struggling with marketing and they don't know how to get leads and sales. And you can offer them traffic nemesis as and promote that. So now this is what I'm talking about by triangulating your income. It gives you additional income stream and from you doing one thing. So this is how this training will help you in your business. So I actually really like this training. I was surprised that this training was less than $20. for the amount of value. I've seen this same course go for $900 to $1,000 literally for the same type of training. So that's pretty much that. I want to show you the bonuses. So this is my bonus page, and again, this course is going to teach you free strategies to use your Facebook profile, basically Facebook, to get more traffic to whatever you're promoting without any ad spend, without having to do Facebook ads and get results like these people who here are getting results, okay, for whatever you're promoting. Now, my exclusive bonuses, when you pick this up through me and my link beneath this video, I have some bonuses that you're going to get to help you with your journey. One is how to build a cult following with your own Facebook group. I'm going to talk to you about how to create your own Facebook group that builds sales. Okay, so not just a group that is just a hangout, but an actual group that gets sales. So it will definitely complement the training that you get in the traffic nemesis area, because he does talk about Facebook groups, but I definitely wanted to show you what I know. I talk about how to monetize Facebook groups, so you're going to get a video training for that. You're going to get another training on how to grow your Facebook group fast, and I give my best tips on how to do that. You're going to get some Facebook group shortcuts, and then you're going to get access to my inner circle affiliate group. So that's a group where, you know, people who have purchased from me and, you know, are essentially my inner circle, they have access to me through that group. So you'll have access to that as well. So when you purchase the link, those are bonuses, my exclusive bonuses that you will get. And you will be able to access them just by clicking on where it says access affiliate bonus, and your bonuses will be right there. Okay, so I just wanted to point that out. And then who am I? I'm a former educator and consultant, and I just came online to learn how to make money. And one of the things that really was the game changer for me was that I had a mentor early on that taught the things that Manny Hanif is teaching in this course, and it made all the difference for me. So for those of you who really want to really learn marketing, this is a great, like, low cost, I just can't believe how affordable it is, training to teach you the things that, me personally, I had to pay thousands of dollars to learn how to do, and you can learn how to do it and really get results in your business. If you're like, I'm that person, I'm ready to get results, then you can definitely get results with this. So that's pretty much my story. And affiliate marketing has been great for me, but I always say you have to learn the strategies, and this is a great way for you to come in and to learn the strategies using the Facebook platform. All right, so beneath this video, you can go ahead and pick this up today. Yeah, that's pretty much that. And then you access your bonuses in the back office. Smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.